Good morning! Dede! Good morning! Happy Sunday! Dede, where are you? Happy day! Ngayon si Arlo nakabihis na. Alis kami, guys. Punta kaming winery.
Hi.
Uh-oh.
I'm going to
Can you please, can you please put that back to the bathroom, please? The guest bathroom. Thank you. Good boy. You need help, Ate? Ate Ella's getting ready. She is brushing her hair. Why? I'm gonna change you last. Go. Hindi, say. Go. Oh. Meron palang ipapatry si Manay sa akin na sunscreen. Mamaya na to. Where's Tita Manay? Let's go to Tita Manay.
Why?
Nasaan ka? Patry mo sa akin yung sunscreen. Tapos ka na? Ito ba to?
Oo, ano yun?
Dala ko din aking mga ano eh. Okay.
Ito kasi, dewy-dewy. Ito, pag kinunggal yung maganda siya.
Pwede duwi lang?
Ito.
Tinted ba to?
Hindi. Ito. Pero, pero wala. Mag-blend siya sa mukha, sa skin mo.
So, dapat ito una, tas yan? Hindi pa, di ba? Yung aking tummy nag-growl.
Narinig ko.
Yeah.
Gutom ka?
Hindi naman. Kape lang siguro.
Hindi ka pa nakapagod.
Hindi pa. Hindi pa ako nakakababa. Bumaba lang ako para kumuha ng kamera.
Di. Ready na ito, di? Ang gabi mo, kape ito na yung
Yeah, denim. Machi kayo. Baby!
Bakit daw siya hindi pa nakadress?
Kaya nga eh. Ipahuli kasi yan, just in case. Manay. Look. Hindi magkakula. Ang dami. Ang dami pa nalagay. Look, you want this?
Mabiblend naman siya. Open.
So, naglagay ako nung sunscreen na pinatry ni Manay. Yung kay ano ata yun, kay Heart. Mas maputi. So, nilagyan ko nito. Baka kasi, dinoble ko kasi yung isa na parang ano daw, glowy. Tapos, nilagay ko yung mattifying on top. So, parang sobrang dami ng sunscreen siguro. Ang puti ng mukha ko kanina. Nilagyan ko lang nitong tear. Kasi ito shade ko to. French beige na shade. Available sa YesStyle, guys. Razel 10 for 10% off. Binihisan ko na siya kasi umiyak siya kanina. You wanna go to daddy downstairs? Yes? Yes? That's blush man. Ang galing mo mag-open. Ang galing mo mag-open. And then, maglagay tayo nito. Bay, kakagising mo lang. Huwag ka namang mag-yun-yun dyan. Let's go to daddy na. Nilagyan ko lang ng Hourglass na blush. Yes, nice. You like? And then, mommy will put some highlight on. You want some highlight too? This is nice. See? Nice highlight. So cool. Wow, so nice. You like? Yes? Nice. Ang ganda nitong brush na to for highlight. Morphe Y14. Ang perfect lang sa mga ganyang areas. Yeah. So, punta tayo sa The Lane Vineyard. Ito yung picnic na binook ko long time ago. And then, kinancel nila. So, ngayon ko siya pinarebook. And, nagpa-add ako ng isang adult at saka isang bata. Maglagay lang ako ng lipstick sa baba. Nandun sa bag ko yung lipstick. Hindi ko pa napuput away yung bag na gamit ko kagabi. Alright, let's go. Bilis mo talaga. Yung mga maliliit na mga daliri. Ang bilis makakuha ng mga kung ano-ano. Alright. Wait, mommy. What am I gonna... Okay. Ano? What's the matter? What's the matter? Naka-block lang ako, guys. Pero susuotin ko yung denim na nabili natin kahapon. This one. Kasi medyo chilly. Ganito lang siya. You wanna wear this denim too? Pareho kami ni Ayla naka-denim. So, ganyan lang. Back. That's our fit today. You wanna wear this? Alright. Alright, let's go downstairs na. Oh, good na. Pagbabalik natin yung mga pinagkukuha mo na naman, Didi. Anything else? Let's go downstairs. Okay. You wear your jacket, okay? I know, let's go. What do you want? Do you want milk? Milk, okay. Which one? Blueberries? Here. Which one? This one? Alright. Yeah. Close. Alright. Alam na niya gagawin. See, kukuhaan siya ng kanyang topper. The other one. That one. This one. This. Yep. Oh, strong. Okay, mommy help. Where is it? Not there. It's here. I got it here. Here. Give it to mama. Ay, naku si Ayla. Diretso drawing. Ayan. Kakababa lang yan. I will have my coffee kasi my belly is growling. Handa natin yung mga dadalhin para sa mga bata. So, dala ako popcorn. And then, pupunain ko to ng prutas din. And ito para kay D. So, meron na tong blueberries. Dagdagan natin ng blueberries. Itong mga to. So, yung binok ko, meron na siyang kasamang picnic platter. Tapos, dinagdagan ko pa siyang isa pa. And then, nag-order din ata ako ng wine. And then, kasi pang ano sana namin to, pang Valentine's. Hindi ko siya na-book ng Valentine's Day kasi puno na. So, yung ginawa namin, binook namin siya the week after Valentine's. Tapos, yun nga, kinancel nila because of the weather. So, ngayon ko siya pina-reschedule. Tapos, pinadagdagan ko na lang siya ng picnic hamper kasi nga, meron na tayong Manay at Holy. And, parang nag-add din ata ako ng kids meal dun. So, we have a lot of food, guys. This is just for just in case, you know. Oh, hi, girl! Hi! You finished that? Yes. You wanna pick chips too? Go pick chips as well, Alo. You broke it, Alo. Ayun natin ito lahat. Ayla, do you wanna pick some chips you wanna drink? Open it. Wow, amazing! You open it already. Proud niya. I open it all by myself. Ipangbaon yan. You want this? Yeah. Nada. Is that it? Okay. How about them? Maybe bring more for them as well. Baby. This is for you, okay? Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so yummy. Oh, I can put that in your lunchbox, sure. Paka-advance naman. Yeah, sige, bring that out. Yeah, sige. Well, tapos may rosé ako in order. Bahala ka dyan. Yun, kasali na yun sa previous order ko talaga. Yung isang hamper, yung wine, tsaka kids meal. Yung in-add ko lang talaga ngayon is isa pang hamper. Kasi mas okay yung mas sobra kaysa kulang. Yan. Tapos ito, sobra-sobra na tayo nito. Ang dami na nating dala.
Ang tagal niya. Tagal niya talaga.
Pinato. Si D. Kinain na yung mga ano niya. Yung baon ni D. Di baon kasi yan for later, D. Meron siya dito pa. Oh, who's gonna do the ready? Do the ready.
Hey, Papa.
Both of us.
Always in ready. It's my turn. Daddy ready.
Ready.
Mommy ready.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Andy ready? Yes. Al ready? Yes. Everyone ready?
Oh yeah, what the two at the back?
You forgot me, though.
Am I ready?
Ready.
Are you ready? Ready. Everyone ready?
Yeah, you wanna do it again, Ayla?
No.
No? Okay.
Hi, dear.
It's my turn to
Okay. Alo. Yeah, it's Ayla's turn later on the way back, okay? Good job.
Every comment says, you can't help me.
On the way home. Dito na kami, guys. Kuha na namin yung aming dalawang hamper. Ang dami nating pagkain. May baon pa. And then meron tayong rosé dun. Kinukuha lang ni Kuya yung map. Kasi punta tayo sa ating picnic area. Ang ganda, no? Yeah. Yeah, last time. Where were we last time? Nung 6 months pa lang si Ayla. Parang dyan lang ata kami dun eh. Yeah, feeling ko dyan lang kami banda. Parang iba na yung itsura niya. It looks different, doesn't it?
Here, dear. Wag ka dyan, dear.
Oh, really?
Come on, Dad. Let's see the animal.
Dito na kami sa the cottage. Wala naman siguro nakatira dyan. My car.
Baka nag-ano?
Yeah.
Check-in, maybe?
Ah, grabe naman. Check-in sila dito tapos tayo pinapiknik dito.
Do you think this is owner house? Or cottage?
Maybe ano lang yan.
Someone, maybe at work, someone that works here.
Yeah, someone that works here, yeah. May car kasi dun sa kabila, guys. Ito na yung ating hamper na apakadami. Oh, of course we can share, yeah. Tingnan mo na yung dami. Isa pa lang to, ha? Meron pang isa dun. Okay, don't give it to Indy, ha? Indy cannot have this one, okay? Good listening. Oh, pinakain. Pinakain na ng batang ina.
I just ate a piece of a bite of it.
Yeah.
Bago siya magkakain yung bata mo.
Si Indy walang tigil. Ha?
Eating this with cheese is actually good.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, meron pa dun umayaki. Ah, that's a kid's meal. That's a quiche.
Mom, taste
Yeah, kaya nga.
Tastes good?
That one.
taste it.
Yeah, okay, I'll taste things here. Is it kasama to?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Let me taste it.
No.
Oh, thanks, mate. Yum. You love nuts, Alo?
Yeah.
Careful, Didi.
It's the same one at home.
Same one at home, yes.
Why does it have to go? This is the best
Here.
party ever.
Maybe don't open that one yet, my love.
Mom, this is
It's the same.
party ever.
May party pala tayo, hindi ako na
Is it the best?
Best party ever.
Aww.
birthday, Alan! Happy birthday!
Meron tayong wine.
Your birthday soon. Happy birthday. Hindi mo si Di. Ang ngiti ni Di.
Mama, thank you.
You're welcome, babe.
Thank you, Mama.
Daddy.
I think
Daddy.
I think these are for the wine.
Say thank you, Daddy.
That's a, is that a wine glass?
No, they've got those. But I think these are for the wine because maybe the table's a bit.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Thanks, Daddy.
This cheese is so good.
So good. Yeah?
Mom, you need to try.
Okay, other girls are eating this. That's good. Good job, guys. I hear Daddy. Cutlery's here.
Blueberries. Mom,
What?
it's really good. You need to try it.
Okay, I will. Ito man nagkakaroon pa fish.
Ano yan? May nakita ko, madami silang masarap na ano.
Sa restaurant.
Sa restaurant yun.
Yung picnic, ito lang talaga yung option
Option
nila.
nila.
That's good. Yeah, that's good, guys.
Oh,
Oh, yes, Mom. Celery and this.
yeah.
Yeah, go for
It's
it.
got this got dip in it as well.
Yeah, oh, this one, yeah.
What's that?
Oh, nice. Looks like hummus.
Oh, yeah. Smells good too.
Ooh, what's that?
Parang sweet. Dessert.
You don't like
Like
it?
fix up the nuts. Don't have the nuts like that, mate. Take it, no, off the lid. Remove the lid. Remove the lid. No.
Just don't worry about the lid.
You have to balance it on the lid,
It's
mate.
not tasty.
Yeah, maybe if you open one, don't open the other one yet. You can take all these.
Sucks like the
Or
kalamata.
you can keep the jars.
Yeah. I think we can take this home.
Yeah, we can if we don't
Yeah.
finish it.
So just don't. You
Yeah.
just have to return the basket.
This is actually my favorite.
Is it your favorite,
So yummy. This is definitely my favorite. Mommy, put this in my bag. Put this in my lunchbox.
Okay, which
Oh,
one?
which one?
This
I will. Oh no, we can't put
Oi.
nuts in your lunchbox.
I
now.
can't hear it, Indy. He's so busy.
Mom,
Yes.
this and this.
Okay. The dip? Dang.
That. Mom, more cheese. Mom, it's a more cheese.
Thank you, Dad.
Mom,
Yeah.
it's a more
This is out
cheese.
here. You gotta be that.
Yeah.
Mom,
that
it's a
one?
more cheese.
No, he was like,
She asked a question like you're
I was
gonna.
like, what do you think? Grabe naman to. Hirap naman nag-replace.
It smells so good. I can smell something really good.
It's the yummy cheese.
Oh, sparkling water. Oh, still, it's still.
Mom, can I play?
This is
Can I
nice
drink
water
it, Mom?
bottle.
We can bring that home.
Sure, mate.
How's India, Ate Holly?
She wants water too.
My turn. Yummy.
Good eating, guys.
Mom.
That's cheese. Yeah. That's all, guys. There's cheese and knife to cut.
More?
You see, get it.
Oh,
Oh,
cheers.
you're so thirsty,
Oh, cheers,
ah.
boys.
Even
Cheers. Look at Indy. Oh, you want to cheers too? Okay, cheers. That's wine, Didi.
This the breeze.
Sus, ang batang ina talaga.
This is good.
Yeah?
Alone. As in.
Okay. No, Isla likes it too.
Yeah, you like, it's nice, no? After?
Yeah,
This
it's
is
good.
try some of cheese.
Very nice and peaceful.
Next to the winery. The umbrella.
There you go.
Oh yeah, gum tree yun.
So may mga pangalan sila.
Yeah, there's gum tree 1, gum tree
This
2.
one, what do you call this
Cottage,
one?
the cottage. Yeah.
The best one.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
I love it.
Aw,
that's good.
thanks, baby.
Oh.
Aww.
I love it too.
This is the best mommy party ever. This is the best Valentine's picnic ever.
Aww. Yeah, because this is supposed to be our Valentine's picnic.
Yeah, but it got cancelled because it was raining.
That's right.
That's
my love.
right.
My goodness, Isla. So
You
good.
remember it. Yeah.
Just forget about Indy. This
I'm
one.
tired.
You tired already?
Yep.
Gosh.
Plato. Oh. Ano
Yeah,
plato ka
right.
dyan?
Nice.
I got serviettes as well.
I'm hungry.
Happy day? Are you sitting there like a good kid? Oh, yummy. Yummy bread.
Like,
Baby, Dad.
Happy day.
may sarili siyang mundo.
Cheese.
Oh, cheers. Sorry, baby. Cheers.
I have a taste. Is this brownie?
Thank you.
Can Indy have some of this?
Ito yung sa kids.
Is it hot?
It's like a biscuit. Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to try?
Maybe try. She can.
Try.
Actually, this is nice. Have you
It's
tried
nice.
that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's nice.
How did you hold it?
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Do you like it? Try. Okay.
What's that? Ay, wala ito. No, what's that, babe? Salami?
Hindi mauubos yung tinapa.
Kaya na eh.
What do you like?
You like this one? What else do you want to try? Do you want to try bread?
No, that's not. What do you like? I don't like that.
Which one?
Gusto niyo ate? Just little. There. It's sharp, day. It's sharp.
Mommy.
Yummy. She said yummy.
Yummy?
Sour lemon?
Where we saw the koalas?
You know,
Koalas?
Yeah. I had that little playground. Did you
yeah,
have a little playground?
yeah.
I remember.
Was I there?
Yeah.
How old was Wait, was the boys not there?
No, everyone's
I don't remember.
How old was I, Mom?
Mama.
What about me? Older. What about me, Mom?
I don't think so you were there, Baba.
Mom? Is that
And then
someone's
they
house?
come out and say, what are you doing?
Get the fuck out of my mouth.
Happy day.
House, Mom?
What daw?
Yeah.
Hi. She's like,
Ay, ikaw, may nakikita ka?
no, the camera. She's like,
Mommy,
have you tried the one?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Mommy,
Cheers, guys.
are we allowed to have a picnic again?
Cheers.
Are we allowed to have a picnic again?
Yeah.
You know what? There's a rag here. Do you want to put it here?
Yeah.
Go here?
Oh,
Love you.
Sean. What's video? Is that in my car? No.
Hey, come on, sleep na.
Oh, that's nice. Nice, my love.
Smiley faces in the vapor, counting corners till we get to any place but where I'm at. Every exit's getting louder. I'd assure you that it's nothing, but you never saw it coming, none of it. But then how could you now? A part of me wants you to see, a part of me hopes that you won't look in the mirror and find me window crying in the car home. I left you a tear on my cheek, but won't let it stay for too long. I don't wanna ruin the moment, so it's gone before you ever notice, gone before you ever know. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Gone before you ever know. Trying to think of something clever, or just any word, but there's a lot of it inside a head. If I knew how, I'd let you have it. In the halo of the street lights, stomach turning like a rerun. Lucky girl, he's so attentive. If only you had tried to let him know.
Tapos na kami sa Lane Vinier. Dito na kami guys sa Handor.
No, that's Indy. You can walk.
You gotta walk out. You don't have to.
Yeah.
Sing a little.
This is a travel pram, eh. Travel pram pala yung dala namin kasi nasa likod yung dalawa eh. Hindi magkasya yung aming malaking pram. So ito yung aming dala. Kaya naman si Indy dito. Do you need help, ate? I can help you, my love.
I don't need help.
You sure?
I don't like to die.
Where are you going? Don't run over anybody. Pumasok kami sa lolly shop. May dadala na siya. Pero sabi ko, pili ka ng iba. Kasi last time yan yung binili namin. Ayaw niya yung pagkain. Ha? Ay, Dubai?
Volleyball.
Ah.
Akala ko lang.
Oh my goodness, Ala. Sabi ko may lollipop dito, oh. 50 cents lang. You sure you don't want lollipop, mate?
I want lollipop.
You don't want lollipop?
I like Pikachu.
I know, you like Pikachu.
Water plate, guys.
Nabudol na. Oh,
This is made for Tito Josh.
oh yeah, sa ilalim ng mga jacket. Matibay ba yan?
Yeah.
Ayan, tapos yun sa kabila, mga artsy. Sige, yeah, leave Indy. I got her. I got her, my love. I got this girl. Put me Chanel, say love me. You push me Chanel, you say love me. You put me Chanel. Good job. Itong dalawa nagkakasundo sa antique. Pumapasok sa mga antique shops. Yeah, careful. Yung ganitong dala ko, tag 1 kilo. So, akala ko ito yung kalamansi gamit ko. Sweetened pala sa pang-juice. Yeah. We're home. Hindi. Oh, pang-juice siguro talaga. We're home, guys. Gawa ako ng kalamansi juice. Akala ko ito, yung binili natin sa Pinas is yung kalamansi extract, yung ginagamit kong pang-sauce. Sweetened pala siya. Napansin ko siya recently lang. So, gawa tayong kalamansi juice, guys. So, sabi dito, 1 part to 5 parts. So, 1 part water, 1 part calamansi puree, tapos 5 parts water. How are we gonna do this? Baka ang bilis nito maubos. Feeling ko ang damin to. Parang ewan talaga ako naman. Parang ewan oh. Tingnan mo nga itong ginawa ko. Kalamansi. Parang ang dami, guys. Cameron. Yes, babe. Yeah, good job, Alo. Dang, that's good. Masarap man ay. Kalamansi juice yan. Hindi na. Guys, kain ka. Yung pork rillet ata yung tawag. Hindi kasi namin nakain ng ayos kanina kasi
Kulong yung oil.
Yeah, matigas.
Mom reckons tomorrow's going to be 27.
So what, do you wanna go on the pool?
Well, they can in the afternoon. Like, the afternoon's like,
Hot.
like 26, 27.
Yeah, we can. We'll just bring food.
Does Holly have bagels, Jane?
No.
I think I'll have something for her. Yeah. The one Isla wore in Renmark, that's 2-piece. That will fit Holly. So, nag-init ako ng rice. Nag-init ako ng rice, guys, kasi sabi naman ay para daw lechon.
Parang ito. May ano siya, mustard yung bilog.
Yeah. Sige nga.
Lasang lechon. Lasang
Uy,
lechon.
sarap.
Nasa ng lechon nga, na matabang. Pero masarap.
Lambot pa.
Yung itsura niya.
Right.
Yan po ang guys.
Oh, guys. Oh my goodness.
Nakaulam.
Naka-dinner na.
Nakaulam. Sarap pa ito may chili flakes dahil.
Mama? Oo nga.
Para talaga siyang lechon dahil. Dapat ma-mix. Yan mo na. Kulang. Parang wala. Parang wala naman.
Sarap.
Ito. Bakit yun ba yun?
Yeah,
Saan nga? Adelaide.
Yeah, fringe. Yeah, yun na.
May usap naman ang order niya. Hi, dear! Hello. Kanin to.
And... Okay, baby, sorry. Sorry. How old are you?
Nice, no?
You too?
Parang ito na to, 3 na siya.
Good night. Where's Aloe?
I don't know.
Oh, you're gonna finish that perfume. You better not.
No, we're not. We don't have it. We don't
You
have
too, you too.
it. No, we don't
You're
have
lying, you're lying. I
it.
saw it.
We don't have it. No, we don't have it.
Jesus. Oh! Uh-oh.
We don't have it. We don't have it.
Alright, good night, girls.
Good night.
Nasa baba. Good night.
Good night.
Yeah, with daddy.
Good night.
Good night. Good night,
Good
baba.
night, Mom. Good night, everyone.
Good night. Good night, Manay.
Good night, Taylor.
Bye.
Michael.
Alright, see you later. See you tomorrow. Good night, girls.
Good night.
Good night. Say good night, Didi. Good night, everyone. Say be good. Be good. Switch. Switch. Here, this one. Good job. Yeah, yeah. Oh, no. This one. Bottom one. Yay, thank you, Dee. Thank you, beautiful. Yeah, night night.